In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple Temu accounts. This process is simple and quick, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open up the Temu website. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for switching or adding new accounts. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page and locate the menu labeled Orders and Account. Hover your cursor over the section to reveal more options. As you glide over that menu, you'll notice a couple of options appearing. One that you need to pay attention to is Switch Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. This link allows you to manage multiple accounts seamlessly. Now you might notice a button labeled Add Account. Clicking this will open up a new window for creating an additional account. Here you'll be prompted to enter a fresh email address. It's important to note that you'll need a unique email for every account you wish to register, so keep that in mind while proceeding. Once you've entered your email, click on the Continue button. This step is straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, double check to ensure your email address is entered correctly and that no extra spaces or characters have slipped in by accident. Moving on, you'll be asked to create a new password. This should be a strong password, something unique and memorable, yet secure enough to protect your account. After setting up your password, the next step is to tap on the Register button. This action will initiate the registration process, and you'll soon receive a one-time password, often referred to as an OTP code, sent directly to your provided email. Remember to check your inbox or spam folder for this crucial message. Once you have that code, enter it promptly to verify your account. This step may involve solving a verification puzzle to ensure it's you authorizing this new account. Take your time and solve the puzzle correctly to move forward. Congratulations, if you've made it to this point, you've successfully created an additional Temu account. You can follow these same steps to add as many accounts as you need. Just remember, each requires a unique email address. Switching between these accounts is as easy as clicking Switch Accounts under the Orders and Accounts section. This ensures you're managing multiple accounts effortlessly while enjoying all the features Temu has to offer. That's it for today. Now you know how to create multiple accounts on Temu, making your online shopping experience even more flexible and personalized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.